Hi, if you want to turn off screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to open Play Store, use this search bar and manually input Caffeine app. After that, you should see this app with corresponding icon. Just tap Install, wait a few seconds, and now we can open this app. Here tap OK, and what we are gonna do next is we need to scroll a bit down and find this Ignore Battery Optimization tab. Choose it and find this Caffeine app from the list. For that, I'm gonna use Search Apps feature and manually enter Caffeine. And now from Optimized, we need to switch to Unrestricted by tapping it, then go back using the back arrow, and after that scroll all the way up, choose Timeout and set Infinite. And now your screen won't turn off by itself unless you choose to turn it off by pressing power button. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.